Cadbury. The name alone conjures up images of creamy milk chocolate, iconic purple wrappers, and a legacy of sweetness spanning generations. For over a century, Cadbury has held a special place in the hearts of chocolate lovers worldwide. But have you ever wondered how that simple chocolate bar arrives at your fingertips, ready to melt in your mouth and transport you to a realm of pure indulgence? Join us on a journey behind the scenes of Cadbury's modern chocolate factory, where we'll unveil the secrets behind crafting these beloved treats. From the humble cocoa bean to the familiar snap of a chocolate bar, we'll explore the intricate process that transforms raw ingredients into moments of pure chocolate bliss. Get ready to delve into a world of swirling chocolate rivers, tantalizing aromas, and the precision engineering that ensures every piece of Cadbury chocolate lives up to its legendary reputation. Let's unlock the magic that makes Cadbury a global symbol of chocolate perfection. The journey of Cadbury chocolate begins long before the factory doors swing open. It all starts with sourcing the finest ingredients from around the globe, a testament to Cadbury's commitment to quality and ethical sourcing. At the heart of every Cadbury creation lies the humble cocoa bean. These precious beans are meticulously sourced from thriving cocoa farms in West Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia. Cadbury works closely with farmers, ensuring fair trade practices and sustainable farming methods that protect the environment and empower local communities. But the quest for quality doesn't end there. Creamy milk, sourced from local dairies held to the highest standards, adds that signature Cadbury smoothness. Pure cane sugar, harvested from sun-kissed fields, provides the perfect touch of sweetness. Each ingredient is carefully selected to ensure that every bite of Cadbury chocolate is an orchestra of flavor and quality. The cocoa beans, arriving at the factory brimming with potential, embark on their transformation. The journey begins with roasting, a process that unlocks the beans' rich aroma and deep flavor. In giant rotating ovens, the beans are gently roasted, their shells cracking and releasing an intoxicating chocolatey scent that permeates the air. Once roasted to perfection, the beans move on to the winnowing process. Here, powerful air currents separate the outer shells from the coveted nibs, the heart and soul of the cocoa bean. These nibs, now free from their protective shells, are ready for the next stage of their metamorphosis. The nibs are then ground into a thick, rich paste known as chocolate liquor. This intensely flavored liquor forms the foundation of all chocolate creations, and it is at this stage that the true essence of the cocoa bean emerges. The chocolate liquor, now a blank canvas of pure cocoa flavor, is ready for its Cadbury transformation. To achieve the brand's signature creamy texture and sweet taste, a careful blend of ingredients is added to the chocolate liquor. Fresh milk powder, sourced from local dairies, is gently incorporated into the mixture, lending its signature creaminess and delicate sweetness. The precise amount of milk powder is a closely guarded secret, carefully calibrated to achieve that unmistakable Cadbury melt-in-your-mouth sensation. Sugar, the final ingredient, is added to the mix, balancing the bitterness of the cocoa with a touch of sweetness. The proportions are key, ensuring that the chocolate's rich flavor shines through without being overly sweet. Section 5. Smoothness unveiled, the art of chocolate refining. The next stage in Cadbury's chocolate-making process is refining, a crucial step that transforms the coarse chocolate mixture into a velvety, smooth masterpiece. The mixture, still containing tiny particles of cocoa solids, is passed through a series of heavy rollers. These rollers, finely calibrated to exert precise pressure, grind the cocoa particles into increasingly smaller pieces. This refining process is essential for achieving the melt-in-your-mouth texture that Cadbury is renowned for. As the rollers work their magic, the chocolate transforms from a gritty paste into a silken, luxurious liquid. The goal is to achieve a particle size so small that it is undetectable on the palate, ensuring a silky, smooth texture that glides effortlessly across the tongue. This dedication to refinement is a testament to Cadbury's unwavering commitment to quality and the pursuit of chocolate perfection. The refined chocolate, now silky smooth to the touch, is ready for conching, a process that elevates Cadbury chocolate from merely delicious to extraordinary. Conching is a slow and deliberate process where the chocolate is gently agitated and aerated for hours on end. Large shell-shaped machines called conches slowly churn the chocolate, evenly distributing the cocoa butter and further reducing the size of any remaining particles. This continuous movement also helps to dissipate any volatile acids, mellowing the flavor and enhancing the chocolate's overall smoothness. But conching is more than just a mechanical process. It's a carefully orchestrated symphony of time, temperature, and motion. The duration of conching can range from a few hours to several days, depending on the desired flavor profile. Milk chocolate, for instance, is typically conched for a shorter period to preserve its delicate sweetness. Before Cadbury chocolate can be molded into its iconic shapes, it must undergo a crucial process known as tempering. Tempering is a carefully controlled heating and cooling process that ensures the chocolate sets with a glossy sheen, a satisfying snap, and a melt-in-your-mouth texture. The tempered chocolate is then carefully poured into molds of all shapes and sizes, ready to take on the iconic forms that Cadbury is known for. From the classic dairy milk bar to whimsical chocolate bunnies and intricate seasonal creations, each mold is meticulously crafted to ensure perfect chocolate pieces every time. Tempering is a delicate dance of temperature and timing, requiring precision and expertise. The chocolate is first heated to a specific temperature to melt all the cocoa butter crystals. It is then cooled and reheated in a controlled manner to encourage the formation of stable crystals. These stable crystals are key to achieving the desired qualities in the finished chocolate. The tempered chocolate, now primed for its final transformation, embarks on a journey through a world of imagination and engineering. It all begins in the molding room, where the liquid chocolate is carefully poured into molds of all shapes and sizes. For the signature Cadbury Dairy Milk Bar, the chocolate flows into vast molds, each one meticulously designed to create the perfect bar, complete with individually segmented squares for easy breaking. For other creations, like the iconic Cadbury Cream Egg, a multi-step molding process is used. First, the hollow egg halves are formed, then filled with the creamy fondant center, and finally, the two halves are carefully joined together. The molding process is a marvel of precision and efficiency, ensuring that every piece of Cadbury chocolate, from the simplest bar to the most intricate creation, is crafted with care and attention to detail. Once cooled and solidified, the chocolate creations are gently released from their molds, ready for the final stages of their journey. Automated packaging lines, marvels of modern engineering, whisk the chocolates away, enveloping them in their signature purple wrappers. These wrappers, more than just packaging, are iconic symbols of the Cadbury brand, instantly recognizable across the globe. The wrapped chocolates are then carefully placed in boxes, ready to be shipped to supermarkets, convenience stores, and countless other destinations worldwide. From the bustling factories to your eager hands, Cadbury chocolate embarks on a global journey, bringing moments of delight to people from all walks of life. And as you unwrap that chocolate bar and savor its smooth, creamy goodness, remember the journey it took, the dedication to quality, and the generations of chocolate lovers who have made Cadbury a global icon.